Hi guys, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com, and this isn't really a how-to video, but I just want to show you a bit of a disaster I came across on a job here, just doing a simple, basically siding job, and this corner of the house here was rotted, and it's probably been rotten for quite a few years, but I'll just show you what I've kind of come up against. So I've already removed some of the framing. So this used to be a set of sliding doors here, and you can see, well, these were the 2x4s that were in there, basically holding nothing up. You can see from bottom to top just how moldy and rotten and everything is. So here's the culprit. This is the end of the electrical mast that goes up through the roof, and the leak, I would assume, was coming around that mast for many years, and then totally rotted this out. You can see there used to be two 2x4s here. They're gone. It migrated across into the header. This header's all delaminated here. That sill, just a real mess. So it's made for a lot of work. As well as that, down here, these older wires with this type of sheeting on them, you can see how the wires of the sheeting has disappeared and totally rotted away. And over on this one, I don't know if you can make it out, but even the ground wire is thinner than it should be. So I'm gonna get this fixed up, and then we'll come back and have a look at it. Okay guys, so another surprise on this project. Who says you need a header over the door? So we had a, I don't know what this was, 5-6 foot sliding patio door, and you can see right there the header only went about 2/3 of the way across. So there was obviously an old door or something here. They just cut out the studs and threw in a bigger door. Not the way to do it. Okay, so just checking in here again. Electrician has pulled all the wires out of the wall. I've got all the old framing out of the way. Here's the old wires. They're just pulled out of the way for now. He'll eventually pull those up into the attic, junction box them, and feed new wires back down. Our panel's just below here. Had to move some wires that were in the floor as well. Just get them in a safer location. They were right here before, really close to the bottom side of the floor and in the door opening, so we moved them over. So still a fair ways to go, but we're getting there. Okay, so we've got the wall here all back together. The electrician's done his part, and I've got the insulation all back in, but you can see all the new framing we had to do. New header and everything, and completely reframed this corner. Electricians, I don't have the wires all covered up, but you can see some of the wiring here. But anyways, he had to change a bunch of that, so it's finally coming back together, and tomorrow we'll get the door in. Okay, a couple days passed. I got the door in late the other day, and forgot to shoot this video. So anyways, then the weekend's passed, and the homeowner's done actually a little bit of work too. So anyways, got this finished up. We put this nice garden door in here, and you can see here how we've furred out the distance or the thickness of the wall, because we're adding this 1-inch foam on here. So we brought the doors and actually all the windows and everything out. Just need to touch up this caulking here a little bit. Yeah, so anyways, I got the door in. We replaced all that wood that you've seen before in the header and everything else. The homeowner's already covered this corner up with foam. I'm just trying to rebuild the soffit area. Sorry, the lighting changed there. Just trying to rebuild the soffit area a little bit, and then I can continue on with the aluminum soffit here. And everything will be fixed up, and really glad that we were removing all the old siding, so that we found that rot over here. But just an example of what you sometimes can find underneath an old exterior finish. And it's always a good idea to pull those off and see what you got underneath. In our case, paid off. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching House Improvements, and if you found this helpful, please click the thumbs up, and you can make some comments below, and as always, if you have some questions about this or anything else, you can use the forum. Thanks a lot.